Well, I guess this is my new room now. I mean, it's not that bad, but I'm supposed to have a suit. I'll just put my suitcase right here. And I'm not gonna be staying here for long, and that's why I wanted a suit, but the suit isn't working. But that's fine, because I can deal without a suit. I'm not gonna be staying here for long. I'm gonna be moving to a mansion, but I'm not sure where that mansion is or how I get there. Suit length excess. Let's see if no. Teleport. Can I teleport anywhere else besides this? Okay. But okay. Let's see. It's at the suit over there. I'm not sure if that's the suit or not, so I'm gonna go check. Oh. I'm gonna get soaked. Freaking soaked now, that's great. I think this is the suit, but I'm not sure. Well, I might as well start heading. Leaving. I'm not going to be staying here for long. We'll just get out of the water real quick. Okay, I gotta find my seat. I think this is my seat right here. Well, I don't want anyone to sit next to me, so I'll sit right here. We are here at your stop, size 21. We are here at your stop. Oh, that must be me. How do I get off of this plane? Well, I think they said that this is my house right here. I mean, it's pretty cool looking, but no buts. Let's just go inside. I stink really bad. I'm really tired. I'm starving. Doesn't look half as bad. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it would, at least. Living room. Phone. Kitchen. Or not kitchen, bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna order hamburgers. And I'm gonna go take a shower while I'm at it. Now I just gotta wait for my food. Ooh, that's a cafe. I should go there next. Thank you, sir. Ooh, that looks good. Well, none of the rooms down here seem like I'm actually going to sleep in them. That one's sort of like a kid room. And I think they said that they have an adult room. Okay. Okay, now I gotta get my energy up, so I gotta go downstairs and sleep. They also said that the power box was in here. Yes, it is. That turned off all of the lights. Upstairs. Another kid room. I might sleep in that, but it's a little too kitty for me. Let's see this one. Yeah, I'm most likely definitely gonna sleep in this one. So, that might be my room. Here's another kid room, another tumbler room, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sleep in this room right here. So, yeah, let's go to sleep. It's raining. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. The workers said that they would add a TV, and they did. So, let's go turn on the lights. I'm really liking this house so far. So, let me make... Actually, I'm not hungry. I gotta go find a job. Wait, hold on. They also added these light things, which I actually like. It makes the house look way better. So, let me go on my skateboard, which they left for me, and I don't know why. Okay. Well, let's go find a job. I think I'm going to find a job that's fun and can get me a lot of money. So, yeah. My friend that used to live here, she said that Pizza Planet is the best job, but another one of my friends, which is my best friend Jackson, he said that working at the BFF store, and here it is right now, and doing the stalker job, that's a lot of money. So I'm gonna trust my best friend more than my normal friend. So let's see how much money I get just from stalking one. Okay, I can already get a job here. Let's see. Cheese, reef stock. 30. Oh, wow, he wasn't lying. Okay. Let's go here. Here. This job's fun, sort of. 230. Okay. I think that's enough to help me out. But I'm gonna keep working because I want to try to reach $1,000. So let's see if I can make it. Oh, I didn't mean to get stuck. Cheese. That's good enough. Here we go. 572. Not bad. Think I'm going to buy some potato chips. Wait, I'm gonna get a cart. Buy some potato chips. Some bananas. Grapes. Bloxade. Can't buy cheese. Bloxy cola. Apples. Beans. Grapes. Well, I didn't mean to grab grapes. I think that's all you can buy. So, I'm going to leave. I'm going to go home. So, yeah. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!